Well, troubling new data from the U.S. government today shows more than 49,000 people have in the United States this year. This is the highest number ever.
Champions are broken. We're like, huh? He's like, people look at champions and try and find something that champion has that they don't have. He's like, but it's not that at all. He's like, they lack something everyone else has, which is an off button.
Everything they told you about success is wrong. The grind they're selling you isn't the right way to live. It's the quickest way to burn yourself out.
That person who said you couldn't do something, weren't fast enough, good enough, smart enough, where the you may be, use it for energy. Instead of killing them with kindness, torch them with success. Stay hard.
I think that the Vayner Nation thinks they're hustling, and straight to your face, I think 99.9% of you are not.
If the problem you're solving is that you want to be the richest man in the world, well, you're going to have a lot of superiority complex.
To me, hustle would be putting all your effort into achieving the goal at hand. And for me, that means making every minute count.
I'm back!
In hustle culture, your worth, it comes from how much you can produce. Work more, sleep less, make money, repeat.
I'm back! Bad times! All around you is crumbling. And all those have quit. As you know.
But here's the reality. Behavioral science says if you're running on extrinsic motivation alone, chasing likes, followers, status, your brain gets little dopamine hits at first.
But then it adapts.
It's called hedonic adaptation. Basically, you get used to the thing that once made you happy, and it stops hitting the same. So you keep chasing the next thing, and before you know it, you're burnt out, anxious, wondering who you even are.
Michael Jordan, with all due respect, is kind of mentally ill. He's obsessed with winning to the point where he's an asshole. He'll tell you, you just don't want to win enough.
You might land that dream job you spent years grinding for, but after a while, it just feels normal.
The thrill's gone.
That's why so many men feel empty even when they make it, because success without purpose still feels like failure.
What the hell were you all waiting for to start attacking life? Waiting for the stars to align? Back when I was growing up, the song came out. All I need is a miracle. Well, guess what? That miracle ain't coming.
When I die, kid, I wanna go to hell, cause I'm a piece of it ain't hard to tell.
There's a better way of doing things. Living with purpose, rooted in faith, it's a game changer. The Bible puts it like this. Before we dive in, hit subscribe. You'll learn how to level up and live like the top 1%.
As for me and my house, we will serve the Lord. Joshua said, if every one of you serves other idols and other gods, makes no difference. As for me and my house, we've already made a decision. We are going to serve the Lord.
If you want to be important, wonderful. If you want to be recognized, wonderful. If you want to be great, wonderful. But recognize that he who is greatest among you shall be your servant. That's the new definition of greatness. This morning, the thing that I like about it, by giving that definition of greatness, it means that everybody can be great. Because everybody can serve.
Use what you have to help others. Well, you know, on your last day, you can't take it with you.
Yes, that is true.
But you can leave it here. You'll never see a U-Haul behind a hearse.
If you're in desperate straits, if your life is falling apart, if you're nihilistic and miserable, and maybe you have your bloody reasons, because maybe you do, that's still the case that if you step outside yourself and you try to make the lives of other people better, that's the best possible thing that you can do for yourself.
When your purpose is grounded in your faith, life stops controlling you. Yeah, the world might still hit you with problems every here and then. That's just part of being a human. But it no longer owns you. You're not at the mercy of what's happening around you because your foundation, it's unshakable in Christ. Colossians 3:23 says, "Whatever you do, work at it with all your heart, as working for the Lord, not for men." That's real. When your focus is on serving God and helping people, you stop chasing numbers and start building something that actually matters. That kind of purpose gives you stronger mental health, more resilience, and real fulfillment. Because it's not about being the most impressive, it's about being the most faithful.
Well done.
And if I'm being honest, 2025 has been a crazy year. The economy's unstable, prices are ridiculous, jobs are insecure. The news, it's just one panic headline after another. Psychologically, that chaos, it messes with your mind. I know it messes with mine. It puts your brain in a constant survival mode, makes you anxious, and keeps you feeling stuck. But here's the thing. If your hope is in Jesus, you're not powerless. You're powerful. And I would even argue the most powerful. Because with Jesus, nothing can come against you. When Jesus is the foundation of your life, your peace isn't tied to the market. Your worth isn't tied to a paycheck. And your future isn't tied to politics. You see, faith, it shifts your whole mindset from scarcity to abundance in Christ. That's real power. Staying faithful when everything else is shaking. Choosing obedience over fear and walking in purpose no matter what's going on around you. So sit down and really ask yourself, what's really driving you? Is it the pressure to prove yourself or the calling God has placed on your life? When you choose purpose over the endless grind, that's when life actually starts. If you're done feeling stuck and want to figure out who you are and where you're going, download my free identity journal. The link is in the description. It's my simple guide to help you find purpose beyond the hustle. I want to hear your story. Drop a comment and share how hustle culture has affected you, or maybe it's helped you. Let me know.
If you're not subscribed to King Junkie View, you probably won't see us again.